Shalom, Chavarim. It's Rubisa, and I hope you got your Happy Holidays bag. I hope that was a fun surprise on your porch yesterday or the day before. And now it's Friday, and really time to use the bag to get ready for Shabbat. So if you have not already started making your challah, now's the time to get started on it. Right? Check in the book and find your make your own challah recipe. So let's have a look at what it says in the recipe to make sure we've got it all right. Okay, so let's see what's in the bag. Well, we have these. Those are for our challah cover, right? So you've got your markers, and I'd love to see what you've created. So please send me pictures or show me what else we have in the bag. According to the recipe, we're going to need our 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. Got that. And 1 cup of warm water. You see the little asterisk next to it? It's because I didn't include that in your bag. So you've got to get your own cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a tablespoon of salt, sorry, 1/3 cup of canola oil. Hopefully your oil didn't spill. Some of them did leak a little bit. A little bag of flour. That is 1/4. And a big bag of flour. That's 3 cups of flour. Then you need a big bowl of warm water, which is next on the list and not something included in our bag. And then an egg and the topping of your choice. Now, if you got none of these things and you're watching the video anyway, that's fine. You can look at the recipe and you can hopefully find all of those around your kitchen. All right, so first, you open the big bag and you're gonna pour into it the yeast, the sugar, the salt, and the oil, and the 1 cup of water that you went and got from your kitchen sink, running it warm, but not hot. You're gonna pour them all into the bag. Zip up the bag nice and tight. And shake it so it mixes, but don't shake it so hard. You've got to find a nice balance so that it all mixes together nicely, but the bag doesn't pop and the challah feels nice and calm. And then you're gonna get your bowl of warm water and you're gonna plunk it in there. Now you'll notice we put in all the ingredients except for the little bag of flour. That's gonna stay on the side for right now. He's gonna wait his turn. And you're gonna leave it in its bath for half an hour. Right? So it'll rest there, nice and calm, and you'll go do something else. And well, depending what you wanna do, I sent a couple book videos in. You could watch those, whatever you wanna do. Maybe help clean for Shabbat, help cook, lots of possibilities. Then you're gonna take it out, you're gonna shake the bag, you're gonna release the air from the bag, and then you are going to leave it on the table for a whole hour. And then every 20 minutes, you flip the bag over and you'll see that there's bubbles forming in it and wet and gushy. Don't touch it yet, just flip it over. Right? Every 20 minutes again, you can set a timer, do something else for 20 minutes. Remember, they've gotten rid of your bath water because you don't need the big bowl anymore. Okay, after you've flipped it over 3 times in the course of an hour, it's the little bag's turn, and you're gonna take that 1/4 cup of flour and you're gonna pour that in and then shake it around a little so it's not too sticky. And then you're gonna leave the bag alone for an hour and a half, which is a really long time. Right? So then you can do a lot in that hour and a half. And then, well, at the end of that hour and a half, you can come back to our Zoom channel and braid with us and have a little Shabbat fun. If you don't come back to us because it doesn't work out for you timing-wise, you are going to preheat the oven, 300. And you're going to start shaping that challah. There's another page in the packet that is about how to shape the challah. So you can follow that. You can go your own way on it. And I'm going to include a couple videos here too of other people braiding challah in different and fancy ways. You can watch that on your own. Make them nice. Let them rest for 15 minutes on a parchment paper or lined baking sheet. Brush them with whatever you want. Sprinkle on whatever you want because it's your challah. And then put it in the oven for 40 minutes. And then tonight, when it's Shabbat, enjoy. Cover it with your brand new challah cover so it gets covered during Kiddush. And then at time for Hamotzi, you do your big reveal and you show everybody your chalot. And you make the bracha. And you eat them. And it should be wonderful. So, Shabbat Shalom. I hope to see you on Zoom a little later today. And if not, well, have a wonderful Shabbat. So, Shalom, Chaverim. Shalom.